Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Hope Malone and I'm the big cheese at Ham and Cheese Events. Today we're going to make a Hawaiian pineapple cheese ball. The ingredients that we need are 1 pound of softened room temperature cream cheese, one small can of pineapple tidbits. If you prefer crushed, you can get those. We're going to take the tidbits though and dice them a little smaller for the cheese ball. Soy sauce and a little bit of Tabasco. Additionally, we'll need sliced almonds to use as the coating around the cheese ball. And to bring your project together to make the cheese ball, we'll need saran wrap. To begin the recipe, we want to take our 1 pound or 2 packages of softened cream cheese and place it into our bowl for the food processor. Grab your pineapple tidbits, do a rough chop. Once we've got the 2 tablespoons, you want to add that to your mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And for a little kick, maybe just 3 dashes of Tabasco sauce. 1, 2, 3. Take a large sheet of saran wrap or food service film and lay it on your cutting board surface flat so that you can work with it. Take the cream cheese mixture and try at this point to get it as close to a ball in the bowl as you can. Make your large pile in the center and begin wrapping in a folding over motion on each side, similar to what you would wrap a Christmas present, making sure that it's fully closed and truly just make it into a ball. Once your cheese ball has chilled, probably about an hour, maybe more, you're going to unwrap it and quickly working, because the heat of your hand will actually warm your cheese ball. Take your cheese ball and simply roll it and cover the cheese and the almonds. I recommend that you also place this in the refrigerator once you've got your almonds so that it can get firm once again. I've brought out a couple of different chips, but you can choose however you like. I've got wheat thins or toast strips. We're simply going to pour these and scatter them around your cheese ball and it'll be ready to serve. And some crostinis. I like to make these from French batards, but for this, these are just perfect. My name is Hope Malone. I'm the big cheese at Ham and Cheese, and today we've made a Hawaiian pineapple cheese ball.